Okay, so what we are going to start today, the topic is what? How to make the link on PPT. Okay, let's say you have a text here where we have like three texts are there by name of Anil, Abhijit, and Chandru. We have a profile here for Abhijit. This is the profile for Abhijit, and this is profile for Anil, and this is profile pic for the Chandru. So what we want to do, we want to make the link whenever we are going to click on it to this link. So Anil profile pic it should open. What? Anil profile pic it should open. So first of all, what we want to do when we are going to run this page, so this one and this one it should come. These two things it should come. And then next if you are going to click anywhere else, then the next slide it should come these three. The three text it should come at once. Then what we have to do, we have to select these three and then we have to apply this one. Okay, it will come. But the thing is, when you apply this what animation to this text, old text will be there. Whatever old things are there like this image and that text, it will be there by default. Along with that, we have not mentioned any animation to this profile pic. As of now, these are hidden now. If I am going to run these things, and you can see here, hope you are able to see on the screen. Correct? So there are three things without profile pic. If I am going to click on next, what it will do, so that animation it will come. What? That three text it will come. Anil and Chandru and Abhijit. These three it will come. When I press this one, these three are coming. Yes. But where it's coming? It's coming over to that image. So when we are going to click on next, so this image it should remove. What? This image should remove. How we can do? So let me do it. So what you want when you are going to make the animation to this link to this text box at that time itself, so one animation we have to do for this image. What animation we have to do? We have to make it disable, and this one it should appear along with this. When it should appear along with this animation. When we are going to run these three animation, like when these three texts are coming, at that time itself, this image should be disabled. As of now, when it will disappear, when we are going to click on next. But we want to make it, it should appear while doing this one. So how we can make it? You will have to go here and start with previous. So it should not depend on next click. It should not depend on next click. It should start with previous. So see now these three will come and as immediately this image will come, it will get removed because animation is start with first. Let's see. I'm going to demonstrate now and just see on the screen. I think this is the one. When I'm going to click on next, the image will not appear. Earlier image was appearing along with this. Got it? Now, next role is what? When we are going to click on this Anil or Abhijit or Chandru, so with respect to that text, their profile it should come. If I am going to click on Anil, so Anil profile will come and others should be hidden. What? Others should be hidden. So how we can do? That's very simple. What we have to do here, so let me make it enable now. Earlier it was not enabled. Means what? So we have to do some action with this also. When we are going to run this first next one, so this all the things, this all images should be disabled. What it should be? It should be disabled. Correct? So how we can make it disable? Like this way, we have to make it disable. If you are not going to make it disable, then what will happen? You know that Abhijit, Anil, and this all the images whatever Abhijit, Anil and Chandru images it will be applicable. It will be visible on the screen. Just see because we have not done any animation. So that's the reason it will be there. All the time it will be there. Just see, this all are there. So what we have to do, so we have to make it disable on next click for each images. So we have to put here the disable. Okay, Abhijit got disabled. Now we are going to do for the Anil. Okay, for the Anil also I am making it disable. Now I am making it disable for what? For the Chandru also I am going to make it disable. Okay, and these three, it should start with what? Previous. This one also start with what? Previous. And this one also start with what? Previous. So when we are going to click on next, so this all the activity is going to happen. This all the activity means what? That background image whatever is there, this one it will be hidden. Along with these three images will get affected. These three images will not come. Earlier it was coming, but what we did now, we make it disable when we are going to click on next. So when we are going to click on next, so these three will be visible. Apart from that, what all images are there, it will get hidden. Clear? Done. Now, and next what we are going to do, I'm going to make the link to this image. What? I'm going to make the link to this image. Okay, it should be visible. Add animation. Don't apply directly here, otherwise it will remove this one and it will apply something appear. Just see here, correct or not? This became appear, but it should not be appear, it should be disabled at the first time. So we have to, if you want to add one more animation, then you have to click on add animation like this. Okay, it should be add animation and it should start with previous. Fine. So what it means, when I'm going to run this one, so this profile pic and all, it will not come, nothing it will come initially. Okay, initially it will be there. The next time when I'm going to click on next, it will not come. Clear or not? Okay, so this is the one. But why it was appearing at the beginning, so we have to make it initially also it should not come. Okay, so now we have to add one more animation to this Abhijit. So I am going to add for appear. It should appear with something different style. It should come like this. Okay, Abhijit profile pic, it will come like this. But when it should come, actually it should not come to the next. On next click, it should come on click. On what? So there are three clicks are there. There is a text box. What is the text box for the Abhijit? So this is the text box for the Abhijit, which is text box 7. So we can rename it Abhijit link. So I'm going to make it Abhijit link. This is the one. So what it should happen? I mean this profile, it should come when we are going to click on Abhijit link. Okay, when we are going to click on Abhijit link, so it should come this one on clicking on Abhijit only. What? When we are going to click on Abhijit, then it should come Abhijit. The same things at that same time. What? At the same time, what should happen? The other images should not disable. So what we have to do? We have to add one more action to this uh, Anil profile. It should be disabled by default. It's disabled on only. Let me run it. What going to happen? Initially it's coming, second time it's not coming. Nothing more. Okay, now we have a click on Abdi. I have not done anything on this, but on this I did it. Abdis are coming, correct? But the thing is, when I'm going to click on it, then Anil profile should come. And on Chandru profile it should come. Let's see how we can do. So let me make it here. Abdi. Now we are going to do for the Anil. What we want, it should appear something like this. Okay, it should come like this, but the trigger it should be what is the handle text? This is Anil. Now we are going to make it Anil. So where is this is the one? We want to do the trigger on Anil link. So there is next trigger for the Anil link. Okay, and like that we can do for the Chandru also. What we can do for the Chandru here? So this is the one, add animation. So I am going to make it something like this. For the Chandru it will come like this, and this one it should come when we are going to click on it. Chandru. Okay, and it should be trigger. It should be trigger on Chandru link. Where is it? Here itself. So there are three trigger. Okay, and initially this all should be disable. Okay, let me um, let's see. Okay, let me click. Chandru click is there. Chandru is coming. There's no click on this because that images are hidden now, right? So that's the reason it was not appearing. Let me make it enable now. Yeah. Okay. Hmm? Okay. I'm going to remove it. Anil, Abhijit, and Chandru. Chandru. Okay. So, for Chandru, actually it's happening. But the problem is, while doing Chandru profile, these two profiles should be disabled. These two profiles, the Anil and Abhijit profile should be disabled. Anil profile now is coming. Let's see, it's coming. But the problem is Abhijit profile is there on top. So we have to remove that one while clicking on Anil. While clicking on blink this one. So which one should be disabled? These two, it should be disabled. So now I am going to add one more animation which should be disabled, and this one should be on trigger when we are going to click on Abhijit, when we are going to click on Anil link. Okay, so it should start with previous. Okay, when we are going to click on Anil link. Okay, so it should start with previous, and one more I have to do for what? For Chandru also. For Chandru also I am going to add one more, disappear. Okay, and then when it should, the trigger it should be when we are going to click on Anil. So when I am going to click on Anil, these two profiles should be disabled. Which two profiles? Abhijit and Chandru profile should be disabled. Only Anil profile should be enabled when I am going to click on it. When I am going to click on the next Abhijit here, on that time, two profiles should be disabled. What two profiles? Let me select Abhijit, then Anil profile should be disabled. Correct or not? It should be disabled, and go here and make the trigger on Abhijit link. Let's see, and it should start with previous. Okay, and then one more profile it should hide when we are going to click on Abhijit. So which profile? Chandru profile. We have to go here and we have to add the animation here, and it should be trigger what it should be. It should be click on Abhijit link. So this one also should come previous. When I am going to click on Abhijit link, the text Abhijit profile should be visible, and these two profiles should not be visible. So when Abhijit profile will be visible, so what animation we want, we can make it this animation. Okay, this one will be good. Okay, And when I am going to click on Anil, on that time Anil profile should come. What animation we want to give for Anil, this is the animation for the Anil profile. And at the same time these two profiles should not appear. And when we are going to click on Chandru profile, what animation we want for the Chandru, actually we want something swiping. And at that same time what should come, so at the same time these two profile which we should not open, we should profile the Anil profile should not open. We have to click on it, and then we have to do the trigger on what, Chandru, sorry, not Chandru click. Yeah, here it should be on click Chandru link. Okay, it should be here, and then it should start with previous. This is the one, and one more profile we have to hide, Anil profile. So how we can hide? We have to go here and then hide, and we have to make the trigger on Chandru click. When we are going to click on, this is the previous. When I am going to click on Abhijit link, Abhijit profile will appear, and these two profile will be disabled. Correct? This is our requirement. When we are going to click on Anil link, Anil profile will be visible. At the same time, these two profile will be disabled. When I am going to click on Chandru profile, Chandru link, the Chandru profile will be open. These two profile will be disabled. That is the clickable. Okay, and this is the one, and this is the like a play options. When we are going to start, okay, our PPT. So one more things I can do here for these three pick. Okay, add one more effect here. This is the last one only. Okay, this I'm going to make it appear. Now it will not appear on our screen when we are going to compile, when we are going to run this application, when we are going to run these pages. Now just see, it's totally it's completed. Just see how it's going to work now. Okay, it should not appear. Okay, anyhow, I will see why it's not coming. The second one, to see here. And now, what we are going to do, tell me, on this link I have to click. Chandru. Chandru? Okay. So Chandru profile pick is set up. Oh, awesome. Okay, now, which profile is set up? Is it Chandru profile, right? Yeah. Next one, where I have Abhijit. This is the Abhijit profile. When I am going to click on any profile section. So this is the clicking. Okay. Now it will work all the time. It will work when we are going to click on it. Got it? So this is the one. How to make the link to profile. Make it visible at the same time, and to make it disable at the same time. At the same time, what I am going to do when I am going to click on it, so Abhijit profile will be visible and these two profile will be disabled. Anil and Chandru profile will be disabled. Let's see here how it's happening, because of this only is going to happen. Let's see on screen this three. Okay, then we are going to click on this button, then this all are happening. And one more thing, while running this application, this profile pic should not appear. Okay, take this one, this all we have to delete it out. No, no problem at all. Fine. This link will come. Yeah, I don't think so. It will come now. Still is coming or not? No. Now it's perfect. Right? Okay. So now what we can do, if you will see on the screen. So this is showing like something, welcome to PPT meeting button. Okay, based on the button, this one is going to open the our profile. Again, okay. So what we can do in that case when we are going to next. So when we are going for the next, so one thing we have to do here, another thing, This one also should be disabled when we are going for the next here, correct? So, yes, exactly. When button is coming, so this image should be disabled. So for image, we have to make it one more here for the disable. When it should be disabled, when we are going to get this three image, it should be solution. Yeah. Now, when this three will come, this three link will come along with this pick, it will not appear because we have what we did. We make it disable now. Okay, let's run it and see what's going to happen. Okay. This now is fine perfectly. When I am going to click on it, disappear over the image is not coming. Okay? The background image. Now there are three links. Out of this, which one you want to open? Let's say Anil profile. The Anil profile is coming. And next Abhijit profile, Abhijit will come. Again if you want Anil, Anil will come. Chandru is one, Chandru will come. Abhijit, Anil will come. You can click on this. Right? So this one only okay you want to understand. So this much for making a link okay, on PPT to make it visible and to make it something disable. Okay, enable and disable. So this is the way we can do. Okay.